What is Polygon Matic? Depicted as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, Polygon is emerging as a practical option for a few new exceptional projects as Ethereum 2.0 is still under development. Polygon began as Matic, a profoundly effective scalability solution created for the Ethereum network that pre-owned an adapted version of Plasma and PoS-based alt-chains. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Polygon Matic. Before that, subscribe our channel. And hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. What is Polygon Matic? Polygon, previously known as Matic Network, is an interchain scalability solution that gives an infrastructure for creating blockchain networks that can interface with each other. It intends to bring the adaptability and scalability of alt-chains along with Ethereum's security, liquidity, and interoperability. Polygon is further looking forward to admitting 2 new rollups in its platform later on. One will distribute loads of off-chain exchanges together into a solitary trade, while the other will run on top of the Ethereum network to speed up transactions. However, Ethereum's fast adoption results in exorbitant cost, with exchange charges often costing more than the transferred sum. This is because Ethereum has a great measure of clients using the network, which remarkably brings down exchange scalability. In such cases, Polygon Matic is used to resolve the issues. The Polygon system comprises numerous members, including block creators, developers, clients, and stakeholders. Polygon clients utilize the Matic sidechain to execute and cooperate with different Ethereum-based decentralized apps. It is to be noted that Matic is a lot less expensive and quicker than other networks. How does Polygon Matic work? Polygon's Matic sidechain functions like every other proof-of-stake-based blockchains. Its structure, token, client nodes, local dApps, validator nodes, etc., are similar to other networks except the factor that exchanges are clustered and settled over the Ethereum main chain. Clients who want to interface with decentralized apps that have moved to the Matic sidechain are required to verify the supposed predicate contract conveyed on the Ethereum network, bolting the tokens to be sent on the Matic sidechain. After the predicate contract gets verified, tokens will be automatically stored on the Matic sidechain. In this cycle, a specific smart contract named Root Chain Manager activates another smart contract known as Child Chain Manager that creates the proper measure of bolted or stored tokens on the Matic network. When clients accept their tokens on the Matic sidechain, they can move them quickly within the network with minor expenses. This implies that giving or exchanging liquidity utilizing a decentralized trade on Matic will cost the client pennies rather than heavy dollars. Steps to pull out the tokens back to Ethereum. The tokens must be scorched on the Matic sidechain. The verification of this scorched exchange must be delivered to the Ethereum main chain. When this cycle is finished, the smart contract Root Chain Manager will store back resources for the client's location, wallet, on the Ethereum main chain. What is Polygon token Matic? The Polygon token known as Matic is the base resource of the Polygon system. In addition to the fact that it is utilized for exchange payments, it is used for storing tokens to protect the Polygon network too. Since its rebrand, the Polygon Matic token has received an incredible cost surge following a tremendous expansion in use. The Matic token has a covered stockpile of 10 billion tokens, with a current circling supply of around 5 billion. Matic token is accessible on most well-known decentralized as well as centralized-based tradings, including some of the famous names like Binance, 1inch Exchange, and Coinbase Pro on the list. The crypto world is coming together to simplify the purchase of Polygon Matic tokens by making it accessible with both fiat and crypto. CoinGecko has reported that at the time of composing, the Polygon Matic market has an absolute market capitalization worth $1.8 billion. Currently, the Polygon Matic token value is standing at approximately $0.36. By looking at the workings and potentials of Polygon Matic, it can be assumed that this platform has shown considerable success in solving the blockchain scalability issues. Furthermore, different blockchain developers can enjoy building their own decentralized network in the wake of provided features and tools from the Polygon platform, which lets developers access customization options.